Hi, this is a quick video put together just to show you how to download the Java SDK as well as Eclipse on your Windows machine. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download the JDK. You can do that just by Googling JDK. The first hit will usually be the Oracle website for the JDK download. You just download the latest version. You have to click to accept. Then it'll give you a bunch of options for a bunch of different machines. In our case, we're running Windows, but we still need to know whether or not we're running a x86, which is 32-bit, or x64. The way you check that is to go to your computer properties, and it'll tell you right here what kind of system type you're running, either 64-bit or 32. In my case, I'm running a 64-bit, so I'm going to download the 64-bit version. So I already downloaded this to my desktop, and I'm just going to double click it to run it. I'm just going to start the install. You might get the Windows User Account Control pop-up. You might just have to click yes to that if it does pop up. Then you get this screen. You can just hit next. It's worth noting the install directory. This is just going to tell you exactly what directory on your system it's going to install the JDK to. Alright, so JDK is installed. Next thing we're going to do is download Eclipse. So you're going to want to download the latest Eclipse Luna. Again, pick your corresponding version if you have the x86 or 32-bit version or the 64-bit. In my case, it's 64-bit. And then you're just going to want to, it's automatically going to pick a mirror to download from, so you just click on that to download. Should start the download. Once again, I've already downloaded it here. So it's going to be a zip file, which you can open in Windows Explorer. You're going to want to extract this from the zip file. You can just drag and drop it to your desktop if you want to copy it there, or any other directory that you'll remember to access. So once you have it finished extracted, you open up the directory and there should be your Eclipse executable. If you double click that to launch it, it should pop up with your workspace launcher. So this is going to ask you to select a workspace. By default, it's set to your your username / workspace. You can change that if you want, but in my case, for this example, I'm just going to leave it as the default. And this is what it's going to look like when you first launch Eclipse. So to test it, we're going to make a test Java project. Just going to name it Welcome. It will be like our Hello World program. After we've created the project, we have to create a class. And then we're going to also name that Welcome. And we're going to copy and paste this from the slides. And then we're going to hit the Run as Java application. So it's going to ask us to save and launch, click OK. And if everything went OK, it's going to say Welcome to Java.